Well, defense expert testified that George Floyd's manner of death cannot be determined because there are so many conflicting contributing factors.
Dr. David Fowler was on the stand all day. The forensic pathologist said that the factors contributing to the death included George Floyd's drug use and his underlying heart conditions. Esme Murphy joins us now from outside the courthouse. Esme?
Good evening, Amelia. Well, Dr. Fowler testified about something we have not heard about. He believes a contributing factor to George Floyd's death was carbon monoxide poisoning because his face was so close to the exhaust of the squad car.
The defense used this still as Dr. David Fowler testified that George Floyd had to have suffered from carbon monoxide poisoning because his head was so close to the squad's exhaust.
You're not suggesting to the jury that Mr. Floyd died of carbon monoxide poisoning?
Not exclusively, no.
Was Mr. Floyd's blood tested for carbon monoxide?
I could not find a reference to it, no.
In fact, Floyd was never tested for carbon monoxide, but Fowler said because of his heart conditions, Floyd was vulnerable to even a small amount.
He had significant narrowing of all of his coronary arteries.
Dr. Fowler also testified about Floyd's possibly consuming drugs.
Did you determine whether there was the possibility that controlled substances were ingested at the time of approach by officers King and Lane?
Yes. In the back corner of Mr. Floyd's mouth, you can see what appears to be a white object.
But the prosecution introduced stills of Floyd in cup foods.
You see a white substance in George Floyd's mouth there.
I can.
And doesn't it look remarkably similar to the white substance that you were talking about?
Yes, it looks very similar.
So you are not then either telling or suggesting to the jury that the white substance was a pill, are you?
I never said it was a pill. I carefully said that I could see a white structure in his mouth.
The prosecution also got Dr. Fowler to say Floyd deserved care.
Do you feel that Mr. Floyd should have been given immediate emergency attention to try to reverse the cardiac arrest?
As a physician, I would agree.
But the defense pushed back, clearly hoping Fowler's most important conclusion could lead to at least one juror finding reasonable doubt.
How would you classify the manner of death?
So this is one of those cases where you have so many conflicting different manners. I would fall back to undetermined in this particular case.
Now, this case is actually drawing to a close. The defense is expected to rest tomorrow. There could be a prosecution rebuttal witness. The judge has said he wants to give the jury Friday off and have closing arguments on Monday, which means the jury would get this case early next week.
All right, Esme, thank you. And we are carrying the entire trial live on CBS in Minnesota, our digital streaming site. Jason DeRusha has gavel-to-gavel coverage, bringing us context and analysis with the help of an outside attorney. And we make it easy to watch. You just point your phone's camera at your screen to download the free WCCO app. You can also watch on CBS News app or WCCO.com.